Here are the ingredients that you need for the simple experiment about the density of seawater. A container with water, a transparent container so you can see through it, some salt, food coloring, I'm using red and blue, an ice cube, and a piece of a sponge. I just cut a little piece of a Scotch dishwashing sponge. So let's start with the ice cube. We'll put the ice cube in the water. And then we pour some blue food coloring on top of it. That went to the side. And there you can see closer to the ice cube where the water is cold, it starts sinking to the bottom and it draws that remaining blue dye with it. You can also put the food coloring in the water before you freeze it, the ice cube, then the ice cube will get color. That works too. So you can see how that blue dye now goes all the way to the bottom, indicating that the cold water is denser than warm water, so it goes to the bottom of the container. In this case, this is my whiskey glass. Okay, I've replaced the water just because the container that I'm using here, my glass, is so small that for the salt experiment we'll use new water. So here's the sponge. I just put some salt on top of it, as you may be able to see there. And we can also probably already put the food coloring on there. So using red food coloring this time. It may take some time for the sponge to release the food coloring. Oh, this is yellow actually. It just looks red. Oh, you can see immediately that the salt water is heavy and is going to the bottom. So both of these experiments demonstrate that salty water and cold water is both heavier than fresh and warmer water. You can also combine the two.